We're actually gathering data from 2019, and what is evident is the biggest share of the office volume ever in Central Europe in terms of the overall real estate sales in the region. So offices are really a hotspot. It will be a record here in Poland in terms of the overall volume of offices being sold to different investors. So we are very happy, very pleased to hear that. Of course, logistics is also quite interesting for many investors. And what we see, of course, we have this good relationship with Asians, with Koreans. We have closed on a transaction in Prague end of last year. Actually, it was a CBRGI backed by Korean money, Korean capital. We have one more transaction coming this year with Koreans in Budapest. However, we see also lots of interest coming from Singapore and Malaysia. So, of course, if you look at the interest of Koreans, they could maybe be a bit lukewarm on Prague, because Prague actually scored probably like fourth this year in terms of the direction of Korean capital to Europe after UK, France, Germany. I think there will be, like on the let's say the same place together with Austria and Netherlands, but very, very I would say outweighed. So Poland, not so much. Therefore, I think the Warsaw could be still attractive for Koreans. However, as I said, Singaporeans, Malaysians, and Chinese. So this is something which I expect this year to happen, that there will be more capital coming from these three countries rather than Korea. So at the same time, I believe that when we have already some transactions where Koreans actually selling what they have bought, let's say 3-4 years ago, some of the logistic deals. So this could be also a very interesting situation, that they will prove that they have made quite good returns on the properties that they have acquired like 3-4 years ago in Central Europe. So I think it's a great story for our region. And at the same time, you can see, you probably know from the press, that CPI from Czech Republic, Wing from Budapest, these are also like very, very strong enters into the Polish market especially, as well as the German capital, which is returning. So I believe there will be quite a nice mix and competitive situation between Asian money, Western European money, and actually Central European money. So this is a very interesting story, especially for developers.